December 5th, 2004, Provo, Utah. An update on my 1967 Datsun Roadster Resto-Mod. It's a cold, almost winter day in Utah with a light dusting of snow on the mountains. A very beautiful day. The rear end has been refreshed. The parking brake mechanism also refreshed. New springs. The brake lines have been replaced. The shocks are now Bilstein's air shocks. Here we are with the rims. We've got some nice VTO 15-inch rims, and I did clean up and paint the drums. I have a stainless steel 2-inch exhaust system. And there's my brake proportioner valve. In the front, maintain the steering box. Also have Bilstein shocks along with some very nice competition springs. The brakes are now 300ZX brakes with aftermarket calipers. Also, the bushings in the front sway bar have been replaced, as have almost all of the rubber parts, bolts and nuts, etc. If you look under here, there's also an emergency tow loop, and an area to jack up the front end has been welded onto the frame. What I'm working on now is the 5-speed transmission, specifically the flywheel. I've cleaned that up, probably do a little bit more if I put it back in. Clutch plates, pressure plates, and I have a new throwout bearing on order. The engine, it comes from a 2000 JDM Sylvia, the S15. This was almost the highest end version of this engine that was made that was naturally aspirated. It will start getting some attention soon.